Hi, it's Beanie. Would you like to get a recipe for cappuccino sauce? Maybe you're just learning how to cook and how to bake. This would be good for your favorite cheesecake. Let me give you the recipe. I found it on nuggetmarket.com. Let me show you. Cappuccino sauce. 1 cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon instant espresso. Pinch of cinnamon. 4 egg yolks. And ½ cup of granulated sugar. I am going to play some music from Tchaikovsky. I thought this would fit perfectly while I'm filming. This makes 2 cups. Preparation time 10 minutes. Cook time 20 to 30 minutes. What you do is you scald the cream. And espresso and cinnamon together in a small saucepan. Bubbles will form around the edges of the saucepan. Whip egg yolks together with sugar. Temper yolk mixture by continuously whisking ¼ cup of the cream mixture in a slow, steady stream. Whisk tempered yolk mixture into the remaining cream mixture. Return saucepan to stovetop over very low heat. Cook until thickened and mixture evenly coats the back of the spoon about 8 to 10 minutes. Pass sauce through a fine sieve strainer and chill in refrigerator. Spoon around base of Chef Pixton's chocolate truffle cheesecake, or over your favorite Nugget Market's cheesecake. They say that because I'm here on marketnuggets.com. They put out a good recipe. Let me show you some more pictures.